Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What is up? I hope you're all doing really well. First of all, I hope you're all staying home and staying safe. We know that we're all going through a pandemic right now. Some crazy stuff is happening all around the world, and I just hope we all are taking care of ourselves. I want you all to stay safe and stay home. Since we all are at home and we're really bored, we have nothing to do, the best thing right now to do is take care of yourself, take care of your skin. By the time this whole thing is over and you're out of quarantine, you will have the best skin ever if you keep taking care of your skin every single day. That's what I've been doing. So today I came here to show you all one amazing recipe. It is a DIY. You can do it at home. You'll find all ingredients in your cupboard to get glowing, acne-free, beautiful skin. So if you want to learn how to do it, just keep watching. So the first thing that you want to add is besan or gram flour or chickpea flour. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of that. That's 1 and that's 2. Next you have to add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Here I have the yogurt. This is 1 tablespoon. And in it goes. Next you have to add turmeric to this mixture. It is the most important ingredient, so you don't have to add a lot of it, but make sure you don't add too less either. So just add 1 teaspoonful of turmeric to the mixture. Next we're gonna add honey to the mixture. We'll add 1 teaspoon of honey. This is an optional step. If you have acne prone skin and oily skin, you should use half a lemon, but if you have sensitive skin, avoid this step. So you're gonna add half a lemon to this mixture. Lemon has amazing properties that kill the bacteria of the skin. Now just mix this mixture. I think it's perfect. Alright, so here we have the amazing mixture right here. So I'm gonna apply this on my face. Make sure your face is cleansed properly. You just have to wash your face with any cleanser, face wash, anything. Just make sure your skin is clean, and then you apply the mask on your clean skin. I have this little brush over here which I'm gonna use to apply the mask. You can use your hands, your fingers, it's fine. I'm just using this brush to apply the mask on my face. You start applying it. This is my favorite mask ever. You always have all the ingredients at home. It's super simple and it gives you the best results ever. I also feel like the whole world was going at a very fast pace, and this just slowed down everything and made everyone, realize how important it is to be grateful for the small things. Just keep it on your face until it dries completely, and then we're gonna rinse it off with plain water. You can repeat this once or twice a week to get the best results, and you will notice a huge difference in your skin. Guys, I swear by this home remedy. I've been doing this for almost 3 years. I love it so much. You have to try it. And that's it. I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then I'll wash it off and show you guys my final look. So as you guys can see, it has completely dried in most places. It's so hard for me to speak even. My face is fully stretched out. The mask is fully dried. It's time to wash it off. Let's wash it. Wash. So I have just washed my face and this is what my skin looks like. It feels so soft. It just feels super clean and tight. It is amazing. I really love how my skin feels. Absolutely in love. You guys have to try this mask. Alright you guys, so this is what my skin looks like after washing my face. I hope you all liked this video and learned something new. If you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much. Please stay home and stay safe, and I really hope this coronavirus goes away and we get back to our normal lives. But anyway, by the time this thing gets over, at least you guys can like try all these recipes and do something for your skin. Try this home remedy for your face and let me know what you think of it. If you get a little bit of staining on your face, guys, that is normal. Don't worry. A little bit of yellow stains are normal because of the turmeric. They will go after a day or two of washing your face with soap, so do not worry, it's fine, it's normal, but the glow remains. I will see you guys in my next video, so until next time, goodbye.